Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have an Italian sausage gnocchi. Alright, we start this off with 5 sausage links that we're going to cook up in our pot. Once that's done, it's time to deglaze. Don't worry, all that stuff's going to come right up off the bottom. And I chose to deglaze with a little bit of white wine. Again, you can deglaze with anything, beef stock, chicken stock, just plain old water. But I think wine gives a nice, good flavor. So we'll give this a couple of minutes to come to the boil and deglaze away. All right. Again, don't worry, all that liquid flavor is going to come right up off the bottom. Okay, now that the deglazing process is pretty much done, time to add 60 ounces or 4 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. And then you want to add 1 medium white onion that we've chopped up. And then you just want to give this a little stir around, make sure everything is mixed. And then you want to add some salt and pepper. And adjust your seasonings as this cooks. Remember, taste, taste, taste. Then you want to add about 2 tablespoons of butter and 3 cloves of minced garlic. You can kind of see the butter right here. Then grab your spatula, give this another whisk around. And then we're going to let this simmer for a bit. Alright, I don't know what happened to the footage, but at one point, add a tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning to the sauce. And then after about 20 minutes or so, add the Italian sausage back in, and again, kind of simmer low for at least another 15 to 20 minutes. Then, right when the sauce is damn near done, cook the gnocchi, because remember, that only takes a few minutes, or gnocchi, or however you pronounce it. And then, well, it's pretty much done. Add it, and let's get ready to serve it. And all I'm going to do is just ladle some in a bowl and put some mozzarella cheese on top and let that melt up. Alright, as you can see, the mozzarella is melted up and we're ready to go. The only thing I might do beyond this point is add a little freshly ground black pepper, and that'd be about it. So, that's Italian sausage gnocchi. Done.